everything I do. Everything I do. Everything I do. Today I'm going to pay my phone bill. Could have paid online, more convenient, but nice day. I'm taking a walk. People around. Not people. See a lot of people. Got a Mr. Softy truck over there. I get a shake. Another shake is the bomb with whipped cream on top. Ski. So I'm here by Macy's. Someone who shop Macy's, a lot of money there. Don't shop there. But of course, you got the AT&T store. So I have to go in, and they're gonna ask me if I need my help, and I'm gonna say no. Here to pay my bill. So there we go. See, nice people.
How you doing?
Good. How are you? See. Out of service. Gotta fix that machine there. I will. AT&T. Up. Oh, messed up on that. Oh, messed up the whole fucking area covered up. 347. 1072. Enter. See this process. Pay my bill, right? You know my passcode has been no, pay and go. Next. Continue. How much money do I? Is correct? Yes. Music in the background. Cash. 46.
Yo, what junior high school you went to?
I dropped out of Stevenson. So you said junior or high school?
Junior.
You're 127.
Okay.
Is that what?
No.
I look like
62.
I look like somebody. Yeah.
Yeah, you remind me of somebody.
Please payment. Can we go there? Touching next. What's going on? It's not going. I put the amount in. And they put the money in, but they put the amount. I paid my bill. I was having trouble at the machine. Didn't want to take my money. And the guy know that I was recording. He was like, you done with that? He wanted to record him. I wasn't really recording him. He just didn't want to be involved. Asked me if I was doing a documentary. Sort of. Told him. So I'm going over here to get my gyro done. The heebie-jeebies got the they call it street meat, you know? Street meat. Street meat is good. Oh, that's a pretty girl right there. Too shy to talk to girls. What is it? Why am I shy? I got nothing to say. Oh, you pretty? They know that already. I have a different approach, you know? Yeah, we'll work on that. I don't really give a damn about that anyway, so. Alright, just get my gyro. Okay, let's go eat it up. Nice people around here. Social media, right? How much social can you get in that? Oh, the traffic and all this crap. Food. Fucking advertising vans for no reason. I mean, maybe one day they pay me, you know? Paid to do this to shit that I'm doing here. It's fun with my people. Alright? All those people. All around. Check it. See? Parkchester area. Where we're at right now. Money being made in the street. Legit. Money, money, money. Don't mean shit, but it costs to eat. I don't have a wife, so cook for me, so I gotta do this sometimes. Not that I need one, but okay.